Welcome back to another installment of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Welcome.
As you guys know, today is the day for the She's Hot contest. Shall we unveil the winner, Dr. Ross?
Exactly. Our two winners for today, since it was a tie, it have to be Rihanna, and not only Rihanna, we have Elon Musk's mother. We'll put her name right here.
The May Musk. These ones came in at a close race, which is why we put a double feature, a double whammy today. Because our studio co-host audience submitted this in, and we knew that both of them are scandalous.
What?
So for Rihanna, we chose her because she's basically a goddess, and she's the scandal of scandal. You know, she scandaled out Chris Breezy and scandaled out the billionaire. And Rihanna is still running strong with $700 million in the bank.
Ain't nothing but a G-thing, baby.
That's why we chose you, Rihanna, because you are what it takes. You got the reggaeton, you got the Caribbean, the Islanders.
We chose the May Musk because she is hotter than most women in their 20s right now, and still working it on the magazines and being a model. She's also a scholar, and she has raised 3 successful children who have turned out to be entrepreneurs. For example, Elon Musk, the owner of SpaceX and Tesla. So keep doing you, Miss Musk. That's for you.
Hot, hot, hot.
That's right, Dr. Ross. And Rihanna, we got the chips for you.
Hi, this is Dr. Ross. I just wanted to speak a little bit more on Miss May Musk because we didn't really go into depth about this extraordinary woman. But Miss May Musk is a Canadian South African model and dietitian, also the mother of Elon Musk, Kimball Musk, and Tosca Musk. Hopefully I pronounced that last one right. She's been a model for over 50 years, appearing on the covers of magazines, including a Time magazine health edition. You know, she's also the face of CoverGirl. She is a very extraordinary woman. She is the top of the top. She's probably the most elite woman that has been on our She's Hot list. This is really it's truly an honor to have Miss May Musk as one of our winners for the She's Hot. Thank you guys for all placing in your votes. Congratulations to Miss Rihanna too, because she's also one of our She's Hot winners, but thank you for voting. Stay tuned for next Rose and Gold this upcoming Friday and put in your votes for our next She's Hot winner. Once again, congratulations to Miss May Musk and to Miss Rihanna. Thank you.
All of our winners for the She's Hot contest, but we'll catch you guys on the next installment. We out.
I woke up Chris Breezy.
No cap.